Good day to everyone. Today, we will discuss our topic about the nature and composition of crop plants. The plant part is composed of three organs. First, the leaf photosynthesis, stem support, and root encourage and absorption of water and minerals. Plant cells definition. The smaller structure in the universe capable of growing and reproduction. The basic unit of every living organisms, and autonomous living organisms capable of independent existence and propagation. There are three main components of cell wall. Number one, the cell wall provides mechanical protection and rigidity to the plant cell, consists of the cellulose that overcome pressure due to clastic property, composed of cellulose, hemicellulose, peptic substances, lining, enzymes, protein, and water. Layers of cell wall. Number one, the middle lamella, where pectic cements adjacent cell together. Number two, primary wall, thin not rigid stretch as the growth layer formed before and during growth of the plant cell, consists of cellulose microbial, have primary pith fields, thin areas that transverse by numerous protoplasmic strands called plasmodesmata. And the third, secondary wall, rigid thick, formed after cell completes growth.
Difference between plant and animal cells. Plant cells contain chloroplasms that carry out photosynthesis. Plant cells is surrounded by the rigid cell wall. Each cell wall and each adjacent wall are cemented together by middle lamella.
Plant tissue and tissue system. Number one, meristematic system. Part of plant or cell division of production of new cell occur. Here are the three types of meristematic tissue. A. Apical meristem. Tip of the stem and roots. And B. The lateral meristem. The stem and roots. And the last one is the intercalary meristem, internodes and bases of young leaves.
Permanent tissue. Permanent tissues derive from meristems which have attained maturity, thus perform specific function or functions. There are five types of permanent tissues. Number one is epidermis, outermost layer of cells of the primary plant body. It contains stomata and trichomes. And the second one is parenchyma, found in the cortical regions of stems and roots and in the mesophyles of the leaves. And the third one is collenchyma, thickened tissue found in the cortex of the stem and petioles or along the veins of the leaves. Collenchyma cells are alive at maturity and have only a primary wall. These cells mature from meristem derivatives that initially resemble parenchyma, but differences quickly become apparent. And the fourth one is sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma cells from the Greek word scleros or hard are hard and tough cells with functions of mechanical support. Scattered throughout the plant, found in both primary and secondary tissues. There are two types of sclerenchyma. The fibers, known as bast fiber, long thin cells with very thick walls of often dead at maturity. And the second one is scleroids or stone cells, similar with fibers, thick wall and lignified, may be living or dead at maturity. And the last one is
Major plant tissue system, ground. This packing and supportive tissue account for much of the bulk of the young plants. It also functions in food manufacture and storage. It contains three main cell types of parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Dermal tissue. This is plant protective outer covering in contact with the environment. It facilitates water ion uptake in roots and regulates gas exchange in leaf and stem. Vascular tissue. Together, the phloem and xylem form continuous vascular system throughout the plant. This tissue conduct water and solute between organ and also provide mechanical support.